So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a dragon egg.
Basically, it's really easy to make dragon egg. All you need is an egg, a silicone egg, and some tacks. Basically, you just take your tacks. They're gonna be tacks, and just place them in 1 by 1. Alright, once you have covered the whole thing, it's time to spray paint. I have 2 colors here, and well, next you simply just scoop up all the tacks once they are dry. Okay, now that I have my egg and my tacks, I'm just going to start placing a tack in one at a time, kind of overlapping them until it will eventually look like a dragon egg. And done.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Bye!